Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today on another makeup video, because today I'm going to be doing a rainbow drip look. So I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. I've done this look before in the past and I posted it on my Instagram. Go ahead and follow me if you'd like. But I wanted to do it again since I never made it into a video, and I just wanted to do that because I had a really fun time doing that look anyway. So without further ado, let's get started. So of course, first I'm going to use my Makeup in Forever Ultra HD foundations in the shades light and medium to get my skin match. Next, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place concealer underneath my eyes, on my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. And finally, I'm going to use my Makeup in Designary translucent powder to set that all in place. So to start off this look, I want to start on the neck, so I'm going to use my Makeup in Forever Flash palette and use that black color to start on that drip effect. Now that I have that all outlined out, I'm going to use this palette to go in with the colors of the rainbow and just rainbow up this drip. I don't know. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to do some like splotchy rainbow tears underneath my eyes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my Inglot eyeliner gel to give myself a wing. Next, I'm going to go in with my bronzer to bring more color back to my face. And finally, last but not least, some lipstick. Now, I usually don't look good with black or red lipstick, so hopefully this doesn't screw up the look. Alright, and that's it for this look. I did a few more touch-up little things. I tried to do like a little like, oh, my head was cut off type of bruising. Could be better, but you know, first time trying it, so not that bad in my opinion. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content by me. And I hope you all are having a wonderful day, night, afternoon, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!